What is ASUS ProArt Calibration? ASUS ProArt Calibration can provides precise, consistent, and spectacular colors in the professional monitor. ASUS ProArt Calibration has passed compatibility test and support most color meter models, and saves all color parameter profiles on the IC chips within the monitor instead of the computer, so that you can connect your monitor to different devices without changing any settings or color shift. How to download ASUS ProArt Calibration? Go to ASUS official website and search for your model. The example model we use is PA329C. Click Support, then select Driver and Utility, and select OS. Now ASUS ProArt Calibration support Windows 10 and Mac OS. Download the latest ProArt calibration software, unzip this file and install. How to connect the computer and monitor to execute ASUS ProArt Calibration. We need to prepare the monitor, computer, color meter, HDMI cable, and USB Type-A to C cable. We can connect the HDMI cable to the monitor. Then connect the USB Type-A to C cable to the monitor. And connect the color meter to the USB port of the monitor. Connect the HDMI cable and USB Type-A to C cable to the computer. How to execute color accuracy calibration. You can select either standard mode or advanced mode to calibrate your monitor with customized parameters. Now we use standard mode to execute. Choose the color meter's model and check if your color meter connects to the monitor. Check whether the USB Type-B or Type-C cable are connected between the computer and the monitor. When running the calibration, please make sure that the color meter is attached to the monitor as shown in the photo. You can adjust it by the counterweight of the color meter. A series of color patches will flash on the screen, and the screen brightness will constantly change and flicker. This process takes approximately 3 to 5 minutes. After calibration completes, you will see the color calibration test results. You can choose to save the test report or not. Now we click Close to continue. After clicking Close, you can click Before and After to check the color difference, and you can switch the photos by clicking the left and right buttons. You can click Save to save these settings into one of two user modes, which will be linked to a monitor hotkey in Splendid mode. You can choose Create a new profile or overwrite existing profile to save the result. How to execute uniformity calibration. You can choose 3x3 or 5x5 grid and select Gamma Optimization Refine or Ignore to execute uniformity calibration. Choose the color meter's model and check if your color meter connect to the monitor. Check whether the USB Type-B or Type-C cable are connected between the computer and the monitor. Move the color meter to the marked position to start the uniformity calibration. It may take almost 1 minute for each grid to calibrate. After all the grid calibrations are completed, the screen will show the calibrated data being downloaded. It takes almost 20 minutes to save, please wait. After the data has been downloaded, the screen will turn back to the 3x3 or 5x5 grid test. Please move the calibrator again to the marked position to complete the uniformity calibration. Each grid takes a few seconds to recheck. You will see the test results of uniformity calibration. Now you can connect your monitor to the different devices without having to continuously change the existing settings. Thanks for watching. Welcome to subscribe to our ASUS support channel. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.